I am Daisy Ogot and welcome to the channel. I know I've been missing for quite a while. It's been a minute, y'all. But life has been lifing. But you know what? We move on regardless. I am so happy and excited this morning to just pick up a camera and be able to shoot something for you guys, my loyal fans that you've been here for some time. Thank you so much. And if you're new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video. You'll be doing me a whole lot of a huge favor by just doing that. Anyway, I'm coming live and straight from my kitchen, and today I'm going to shoot a video on what I eat in a day. So I'm going to like share what I'll be cooking for breakfast, what I'll be cooking for lunch, and what I'll be cooking for supper. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and make sure you watch to the end because it's gonna be amazing and exciting at the same time. Thank you for being here. Stay tuned. After getting done on the sausages, I have this bread, fresh bread from Quick Mart that I love so much. So I'm torn between the spreads that I'm gonna use on this one. The different kind of spreads that I have in the house. Honey, this is so organic. It's fresh from a farmer. It's so organic. Look, I have like literally used this one and it's almost finished up. Then I have blueband, I have chocolate spread. I think that's what I have. No, I have another one. I also have like peanut butter. So I really do not know what I'm going to use. I have decided to use the chocolate spread and peanut butter for today. Yeah. So this is my end product. I'm done with the bread, I'm done with the sausages. I am now torn between making a smoothie or just making some tea. This one has like kind of a lot of work, so I'm going to make some tea for myself. I'm sorry, I'm not a cool kid, so I'm not gonna like use purified water. I don't know what kind of water. I'm going to use water straight from the tap to make my tea, right? You literally like don't have to fill up a whole kettle for boiling water, so I have just a little bit of water, like almost to 0.5 liters. Actually making tea or coffee is easier. In a minute or 3 you're done. For tea or coffee, I always have like this coffee made in Kenya, Arabic dark roast, or Kericho Gold that I'm going in with for today. Yo. I'm going to add just a little bit of Nescafe. A little bit. Yeah. Dining table for who? Ni kukaa kwa kiti, watch video mdogo mdogo as we go. Yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up
And now we're going on to supper, and we're going to have fish. So let's prepare it. If you are one of my buddies, you know that I love fish so much. It's actually my favorite food after nyama choma. Yeah, nyama choma has to be number one, and then fish. And because of why? Because I am a Luo. Allah. Tell me why we are in the time in life where you can't just find an organic tomato. Tell me why. Like these tomatoes cannot even like ripen and soften. They're so hard, like the economy of Kenya, man.